pasok. Ikaw muna pre, habang nag-aayos lang. Time out na lang tayo pagka ano. Game.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh,
Score 0-2.
the way that things have been.
Nino, sayang. Rebound by Enrico.
I'm the one at the fair. I'm the master.
Enrico, 3. Kanina pa yun eh. Score 0-5.
I was broken from a young age, taking my soul into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took me, shook me, killing me.
Steal by Enrico.
From the pain,
Pinasa.
from the veins,
Steal by Ray.
from the brain, seeing the beauty through the.
Wait, dinerecho, sayang. Enrico, 3, back to back. Kanina pa yung talaga eh. Buwabawi kaya si Wade, sayang. Iisa pa ba? Iisa pa ba? Iisa pa ba? Score 0-9.
Send a prayer to the ones up above. All the hate that you've heard has turned your spirit to a dove.
Nagkakapaan pa po sila, yung kabila. Score 0-9 na, 0-9. Wow! Grabe naman po yun, nagtitiyak! Score 0-11. Kailangan lang ng apoy. Kailangan sa... Eto na kaya umpisa. Sir... Oh! Ray! 2 points! Score 2-11.
Last days last by the grace of the fire and the flames. You're the face of
Wow! Sayang.
in my veins. Oh,
Ganda sana nun.
the blood in my veins.
Wow! Nice! Wow! Ang ganda nung break na yun. Ball play.
You rain down like
Brown serving the floor. Pinasa kay Iron. Iron. Easy 2. Score 4-13. Wow! Uy, sayang. John, 2 points. Kala ko lalabas pa yun ah. 4-15. Nino. Oy, ang halat, sayang. Rebound by Sir Ray. Ray, 2 points. Score 6-15. Round. Okay, rebound by Iron. Iron. Oh, sayang, sayang. Wait ko ka lang. Rebound by Nico. Nico serving the floor. Nico. Wala, sayang. Nico. Ay, Sir Nino. Oy, sayang. Score 8-15. Pito lang po yan. Ang pito lang. Oras, 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Cavs, 2 points. Ang ganda ng reverse. lumabas ka lang. Lumabas ka lang. Nico! Oy, sayang. Rebound by Sir Ray. Okay, last touch by Sir Ray. Nico! Free! Suwabing-suwabe. Score 8-20. Oras, 1 minute, 20 seconds. Nice pass. Nice shot. Score 10-20. Serginho. Dinadala mo ulit. Direchos. Lista mo na. Score 12-20. Kala ko susunpay na. Nice pass. Oy. Wait, dire-diretso. Oh. Score 14-20, last 30 seconds. Wala. Last 24 seconds. Nino, 2 points. Score 16-20, last 17 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds. Okay, change court. Ay, bola po dito. Aaron, ikaw naman para hindi siya mapuwersa. Ikaw muna, umalis yung isa. Dito po bola ha. Yan. Ikaw muna. Opensa. Si Ral. Si Ayor. Tsaka si Bautista. Okay, game. Back to the ball game. Enrico. Oy, sayang. Nice pass. Oy, binalik pa. Wow. Score 18-20. Dalawa na lang ha. Unselfish play. Nice, deep in. Sir Ray. Dire-diretso. Wow. Veterans move. Score all 20. Inunti-unti lang yun. Wow, nice pass, nice pass. Nice shot. Okay, wait, injury time out. Score 20-20. Aaron, kaya mo, ito muna palit. Ikaw muna palit. Pahinga lang natin siya. Palit ka. Kakampi mo si Ampuyan. Sige, pagpahingahin muna po natin. Kapalit po si Ampuyan.
the block. He knows how to work with wood. He's not making his way to the top. He don't think it's a common name. His name. Keep asking him, was it given that brother doesn't stand for an acronym? No, he's even cool. Let him rock in the booth. He'll get you wasn't cooking in a shot of vodka with juice. Him is cool.
Okay, game na po tayo, game. Depensa ka, Aaron. Game.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen someday.
Kala ko, tres na.
So I'll take it up.
Diyan, dinerecho, diyan. Oh, rebound by Aaron. Aaron, nice pick up. Score 20-24.
Ladies know that I'm saying this is just the beginning. I'm closing in and I get in. There ain't no point in resisting. Living lives like a dream. Baby, right, that's the thing. Every night got a team. I've been tied to the scene. How I say
Oh! Still by Aaron. Pinasa pa kay Apuyan. Apuyan! Wala, sayang po. Oras, 5 minutes, 10 seconds. Nice! Oh, rebound by Sir Nino. Nino!
best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me.
Score 20-26.
Best of me now, best of me.
Maalam po ulit yung sa kabila. Nino, 2 points. Score 22-26. Jan! Uy, medyo paling lang, paling. Coaching, oy! Pasa pa, ay, kala ko pasa. Enrico, drop, nice drop. Bumalik pa kay Jan. Jan, wala.
So I gotta hit it through. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to know.
Oras, last 4 minutes.
You're not just chosen. It takes the potion.
Sir Ray, 2 points. Stop. Okay, Ken, pasok. Depensa. Score 24-26. Wait lang ha, Boss Ken. Depensa po, depensa. Oras, 3 minutes, 47 seconds. Depensa po kayo.
They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me.
Yan! Wala pa rin po kanina pa. Nice cut, nice drop. Score all 26. Pasa pala yun. Score 26-28. Coaching 2 points, all 28. Enrico.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different and you
Wow, lumipad!
It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles.
Score 30-28. Lamang na sila, Robert.
Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I'm gonna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it.
Ay, tanong mo nga yun kung ano. Tanong mo nga. Lalaro ba sila? Score 32-28.
Make them take it all back.
Last 2 minutes. Aaron, pula. Rebound by Enrico. Enrico, 2 points. Nice teardrop. Score, 32-30. Ray, 2 points. Score 34-30. Steal by Kuching. Pinasa kay... Oy, na-steal ni Iron. Malakas pa sa amin ang... Enrico, 2 points. Score 34-32. Nice 2 by Sir Nino. Last 58 seconds. Score 36-32. Time remaining 47 seconds. Ayon! Uy! Sir Nino, easy 2. Score 38-32. Aaron, sayang. Last 20 seconds. Steal by Ayon. Kumikikik pa talaga. Whoa! Post to post. Last 10 seconds. Sir Nino is 2. Last 5 seconds. 2 seconds. Score 14-34, change court. Sir Nino, kanina bola kanina? Kanila? Okay, isa pa sa inyo kasi pang fourth quarter yung inyo. Change court po tayo, score 14-34. Dito bola. Okay, game. Dito po bola. Ayun, pinwersa. Naku, sayang, nawala yung bola. Kanya pa rin. Diyan. Rebound by Sir Ray. Sir Ray, dire-diretso. Kaya. Oy, sayang. Rebound. Diyan. 3! Tatlo na lang ha. Score 37-40. Nabawian ni Sir Nino agad. Score 37-42. 5 na lang. Diyan. Uy, namatay yung gilid. Rebound by Kuching. Sayang, napalakas ng konting-konti. Irving. Kala ko, shoot, diretso. Sir Nino, 2 points. Score 37-44. Steal by Sir Ray. Nakuha ni Aaron, pinasa kay 3. Nabulol na ako dun ah. Grabe, Ayon, 2 points. Score 39-44. Oras, 5 minutes, 20 seconds. Binalik na si Sir Ray. Fade. Oh, isaya. Sir Nino, 2 points. Score 39-46. Wow! 41-46. Turn around, fade away yun ah. Score 41-46. Wala pa sa kondisyon. Rebound by Coaching. Coaching, serving. Oy! Sayang. Diretso kaya niya? Oh! Nahilaw bola to na. Score 43-46. Tatlo na lang ang hinahabol nila. Cernino, 2 points. Score 43-48. Wow! Kinaliwa! Sayang! Pasa pala yun. Score 45-48. Wow! Pinwersa! Sayang! Kulang lang ng push. Enrico! Nahihiya! Easy 2! Isa na lang inahabol. 47-48. Still by Iron. Iron, dire-diretso! Wala. Binawi pa rin. Grabe naman yun. Score 49-48. Lamang na sila. 49-50. Oras, 3 minutes, 15 seconds. Nice cut sa ilalim. Hesi lang. Aaron pull up. Last 3 minutes. Enrico. Naku. Oy, sayang, sayang. Rebound by Jan. Jan to Jan. Aaron 3. Lamang na po sila ng dalawa. Score 52-50. Kala ko natin siya una. Same ball daw, natapik. Natapik daw yung bola. Oras, 2 minutes, 16 seconds. Cernino. Cernino. Oh, sayang. Grabe yung hustle. Malakas pa. Jan! Nice pass! Score 54-50. Apat na po, lamang nila. Nice pass naman. Uy, sayang! Ganda-ganda nung drop sa ilalim na yun. Pull up kaya? Jan 3. Lumalaki na po. Papayag kaya. Nice block. Nice! Sayang po. Oras, 1 minute 9 seconds. Jan 3. Score 57-50. Nag-iinit na yung kamay, no? Wow! Naku, sayang. Buti na lang. Veterans move. Score 57-52. Last 35 seconds. Pinapasa kay Jan, isa pa ba? Oy, sayang. Rebound by Ken, pinasa kay Cernino. Cernino, wala. Rebound by Iron. Last 21 seconds. Last 14 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Wow, pull up na. Last 6 seconds. Wow, veterans na veterans yun. 1.3 seconds. Half court 3! Grabe po yun, no? Eto, half court, oh. Half court. Okay, game. Dito po bola. Last fourth quarter. Matipid po sa tawag ng foul. Coaching! Oh, sayang. Rebound by Enrico. Enrico, tinapon sa tapon. Score 6 minutes 35 seconds. Score 62-54. 2 points by Coaching. Score 62-56. Adding na lang. Wow! Grabe yung pagkakabitin na yun. Ako nabitin. Score 62-58. Nice. Oy, sayang. Aaron, binalik kay Apuyan. Binalik ulit kay Aaron. Aaron, 2 points. Ayaw na umiskor ni Apuyan. Ray, easy 2. Score 64-60. Apat lang po ha, apat lang. Wow, ang ganda nung cut na yun. Suwabing suwabe. Score 66-60. Bad pass. Jan. Wow, grabe naman yun. Shoot kaya. Oy, sayang. Last 5 minutes. Wow! Oy! Bihirang-bihira yun. Wow, pull up. 3 by Aaron. Grabe yung ikot na yun ah. Score 69-60. Nahabedaan. Score 69-62. Ito lang yan ha. Rebound by Sir Ray. Pinasa kay Sir Nino. Sir Nino, lista mo na yan. Score 69-64. Oras, 3 minutes, 50 seconds. Uy, nahilo yun. Nahilo bago nakuha yung bola. Rebound by Coaching. Lista mo na. Score 69-66. Enrico. Sayang. Sir Nino, 2 points. Score 68-69. Isa na lang. Last 3 minutes. Oras. Score 69-68. Ang haba na neto. Abot ka ng 100. Uy! Henry! Kaya umiwas lang yung ring. Pull up 3 by Enrico. Rebound by Aaron. Sinasa kay Jan. Jan! Okay. Dito bola, kila Robert. Oras, 2 minutes, 22 seconds. Score, 69-68. Wow! Pinagpag lang yun. Score, 69-70. Lamang na po sila. Sila Robert, ng isa, still by Ken. Ken, dinadala po na. Pinasakay ninyo, binalik na yun. Oy! Oh! Wow! Rondo shot yun. 69-72. Okay, foul. Time remaining, 1 minute 35 seconds. Enrico, naghahanap ng papasahan, pinasa kay Sir Jan. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Wow, ang ganda naman nun. Naiiwan kaya? 8 seconds to shoot. Ayon, iniwanan. Shoot. Score 71-72. Oh, grabe naman yun. Ang bilis-bilis. Score 71-74. Tatlo hinahabol. Last 57 seconds. Wow! 73-74. Last 47 seconds ng fourth quarter. Lamang sila Robert na isa. Robert! Oh. Last 36 seconds. Oh! Traveling po, traveling. Oras, 28 seconds, 24 to shoot. May 4 seconds difference, ha? May 4 seconds. Isa lang po yan, ha? Isa lang. Isa lang yan. Both teams, pwede na mag-time out. Sir Nino, inuubos ang oras. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 2 to shoot. Okay, labas muna, labas muna. 24 seconds. Labas. Wait po, wait. Labas muna po yun. Labas lang. Kasi 24 seconds. So, labas muna po tayo. Wait lang, ayusin ko lang yung oras. 4.6. Gawin ko ng 5. 5 seconds lang. 5 seconds. 5 seconds ha, 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Remind ko ang depensa, patalon ha. Vertical lang para walang foul. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Game. Ooh, okay. May oras pa. 1 second. Score 76-74. Remind mo hanggang hindi nakakapitan yung bola, hindi ko pinipindot yung ano ha. Score 76-74. Dalawa lang yan ha, dalawa. Dalawa ha, dalawa. Ayos lang po tayo ng depensa ha. Sige, good. Coaching!